Hello viewers, and thank you and welcome to my channel. My name is Isaac Jonas and I like to talk about personal finance and investing. I am trained as an economist academically, but the reason why I like to talk about personal finance and investing in a personal way is that some years back I immigrated from Zimbabwe, and I came to Canada in 2014. And I remember after some years I went to the bank and I wanted to invest. I had about 3,000. I wanted to invest the money, and the financial advisor told me, well, you can invest in guaranteed investment certificate and get, probably it was less than 1%. And as an economist, I thought, wow, inflation is 2%. Literally, I would be losing my money. So instead of being angry at this financial advisor who was doing their job, they were working for their shareholders, I then shifted my mindset to say, well, there has to be a way where I can get a good return. So from that day, I walked out of the bank determined to gather as much knowledge about investing and actually, making money in the stock market. So what I did is I started reading a lot of books, and also that has also inspired me to write my book, actually, The Intelligent Millennial Investor, as well, that I published this year in 2024. But the gist of it was that at the end of the day, I realized that, well, if I invest, I can make money, but I need to acquaint myself with the knowledge. I also realized that a lot of my friends, they were also struggling with credit card debt and a lot of this information. So I thought, well, maybe let me share some of this information. I was lucky that I didn't have as much debt, but um, I also understand a few things about investing. So that was how I started this channel. So on this journey, when I started investing in 2020, I've learned a lot and I still learn a lot every day, but I have made some few mistakes, and I hope they will not be ruinous even going forward. So I thought sometimes if I share the experiences, the mistakes, the things that I've done successfully, maybe some other people may learn one or two things from this channel. So that was the motivation behind me starting this. I do my best to record regularly on this channel. So I aim to record a video and post it on this channel, at least one video a week, right? So that's something that I plan to do in the now and in the near future, and bring you as much content as in the future. And I hope to learn from you as well and to hear your stories, your journeys. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss on my content on this channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.